Are your YouTube shorts stuck at exactly 0 views? Or maybe your long form video suddenly dropped off a cliff. Most people will tell you you're shadow banned, but as a media guru, I'm here to tell you the truth. Today, I'm giving you the 10-second test to know if your channel is actually banned or if it's just a 2026 algorithm glitch. Let's fix your views. First, the search test. Open a browser on your phone in incognito mode. Search for your exact video title. If your video shows up, you are not shadow banned. YouTube's search engine still sees you. If it doesn't show up, check your visibility settings in YT Studio. You might have accidentally set it to unlisted. Now, look at your analytics. Go to the Reach tab on your phone. See that number for impressions? If that number is anything higher than 0, YouTube is showing your video to people. They just aren't clicking. This isn't a shadow ban, it's a hook problem. Your thumbnail or the first 3 seconds of your video aren't stopping the scroll. But what if it's truly stuck at 0 views? In 2026, this is usually an AI metadata glitch. To fix it, do this. Change your video title to a low competition keyword from vidIQ, something like shorts 0 views problem, and swap your thumbnail. This forces the algorithm to re-index your video and try a new audience. Stop blaming the shadow ban and start fixing your data. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you grow your channel entirely from the comfort of your phones. See you in the next one.